Alright, so we made it to Radiator Springs, and someone told me to try this ride. You're driving around and we can look for leaves to Radiator Springs. It'll be kind of cool to drive casually nice around Radiator Springs. Pretty cool. What's that? It didn't look like whatever. We'll find leaves. Oh, here we go. Would you think that's a Camaro or a Ferrari? What do you think it is? Let's find out.
We're at 428.
So
it was
55 minutes. Alright, so nice leisurely drive, right? A nice leisurely drive. Nothing to worry about, right? Yeah, just a drive in the countryside. I'm looking for my wife. Have you seen my wife?
No, I didn't see it.
You haven't seen my wife anywhere? Alright. Please! Where are you, Lee? Ah, nice relaxing. I'll just pretend I've got a steering wheel. Oh, dark cave. Dark cave. Oh, dark cave. Okay, oh nice.
Slow down.
Okay.
Racing here.
Sorry.
Just follow me to the town to get
Alright. Sorry. Hey there.
the race, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna be.
We're racing?
Hey, here we go.
What?
Sneak up on them and pump. Ready? Feel the drink.
Okay, keep it fine. No, don't scare him. No. On. Run! Hey!
No business on this planet.
Yippee. Welcome to Race Day.
In Radiator Springs.
What?
Champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, we have a Ranger band.
Alright, Luigi.
No. For you, my friend, only the best.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Now you look like a real race car.
White wall drive on a race car?
The starting line.
Oh, we're gonna go back.
Takes more to
Touch the... Alright.
Yes. Now we'll have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
Here goes. Oh, they're late, guys. You're slow! Cheated! Get cheated! I think they cheated. What do you think? Illegal tires!
Yeah! Come on! Hey! Yo!
got illegal tires, Mom.
Now listen, when your vehicle stops, take the exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings and as long as you're in Magic Kingdom, have a great time.
All right, well, I looked everywhere. I think I might have saw Lee's in that field. What do you think? You see my wife in that field?
Oh, yeah, I see it. It's there.
Oh. I think she's lying, Mom. Well, we'll keep looking. All right, stay tuned.